Hey homeowners, Bianca here from your favorite channel that gives you helpful design tips and great home decorating tricks, MF Home TV. Before anything else, why don't you go on over and hit that subscribe button to show us some love? And don't forget to stay tuned until the very end of this episode so that you can hear the announcement of this week's giveaway prize and also last week's winner. Today's video is connected to the dorm room makeover video, so if you haven't watched that yet, we will be providing a link at the end. But enough talking, Bianca. Let's start. So here it is, the dorm room essentials. I'm giving you the ultimate college shopping list. So class, parents and guardians, get your pen and paper ready. So first things first, the bed. I know when we were kids, we hated nap time, but trust me when I say when you get to college, sleep is something that you will love and need. So it is important to make a So making the bed cozy is top priority. You should have 3 types of pillow. First one is for your head, for sleeping. Second is for your body, for cuddles. And the last one is for decoration, an accent pillow. Next is to bring 2 sets of linens. So while you launder the first one, you can use the extra linen and vice versa. Beside your bed, put your alarm clock. The alarm clock is very important to college students, so you can make that 8 a.m. literature class. I know, we've all got our cell phones to set our alarms, but what if the battery dies? What are you gonna do then? Then you'll need your alarm clock. Lamps are not necessary because it's usually either lights on or off when you're already in bed. Instead, you can place a framed photo of your family or your pet because you'll be away from home and you will surely miss them. Next is a closet. Usually college dorms have cabinets already, but in case that they don't offer, buy a cabinet and as much as possible, place the shoe rack near your cabinet so when you are preparing for the morning, it'll be quick and easy. Up next is your study desk. This is also very important because this is the place where you stu-die. You know, you study or die, stu-die. Because you're studying too much and you're like dead inside and you're like, oh my god, no, stu-die. No, okay. Anyways, back to the study desk. It should have a desk lamp in case you're pulling an all-nighter, which will happen a lot. And if you have a roommate that can't sleep with the lights on, your desk should be neat and organized to boost productivity. Place your pencils, scissors, staplers, and etc. in a cute organizer like this. If you have been an avid viewer of MF Home TV, you would know that I really recommend investing on a chair for your workspace that you really love so that you can get the motivation to sit and work. As for your hygiene, you can get a plastic basket with a handle where you can store your shampoo, conditioner, toothbrush, soap, and other bathroom stuff. This is easy to carry when you go to the shared bathroom outside. But you should never go out naked just wrapped in a towel because you never know, you might slip, lose your grip, and then voila! Memories, right? So yeah, I think it's best that you should just bring your towel with you. Which reminds me that you will need hooks, so you can let your towel dry after, and hooks where you can hang clothes that you can still use again. Because it is a dorm, there is not much space for a vanity area. The trick here is to use the top of your cabinet for your lotions, makeup, perfume, comb, and the like. Getting a full-length mirror also is space-saving and a win-win, as you can check your face and at the same time check your outfit. Just some additional but not that necessary thing, a rug halfway under your bed if you want to work on the floor. I guess we've hit all the essentials. That's all for you, dormers. Good luck with your university life and living away from your parents. I know that you can do it! Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the thumbs up. And why don't you tell us what school you're from in the comment section below. Thanks again for watching. This is Bianca from MF Home TV, inspiring your second home.
Congratulations to last week's winner. Here's this week's prize.